Welcome back. You're with us on Trading Hour. Let's talk commodities. As promised, Manisha is joining in. And now, Manisha, are you still tracking the silver lining of silver? Any let up in prices, or is it still those record levels? My God, don't tell me it's already touching like 1 lakh or something in the Indian market.
Well, not too far away from that, really, Surbi. And if you add the GST and if you add the taxes to it, people have bought silver at 1 lakh as well. And with expectation that you could be looking at higher prices going forward. The reason I'm talking about silver today is because we are looking at strong gains continuing for the month of May. Silver is outperforming the whole metal as a sector there. And we are still holding around 30.5. The high that we've seen in this week itself has been at 32.5. And for the Indian markets, while an all-time high has been 95,000 rupees, we are holding around 93 to 94 at this point in time. So the strength pretty much has continued. Now, the reasons that the street believes that every healthy dip or a small correction also is good for buying is because you have strong fundamentals backing this. While, of course, the rubber from gold and the strength in base metal prices is supporting silver, but silver also, its own fundamentals have been stronger. This is going to be the 4th straight year that you're looking at a global deficit in markets. If you look at the demand that we've seen come in from solar panels, from EVs, has continued to be on the stronger side. And the street believes that millions of ounces is what you will be seeing being added to demand from industrial side of the category every year in case of silver there. And the supply perhaps will not be able to match on to with that. We also are looking at very strong strength in sense of the ETF buying that has been stronger in the international markets. For the Indian markets as well, we have seen 15,000 crores of holdings now in case of silver ETFs. Also, when you look at the gold and silver ratio, well, that stands at 70 now. It was at around almost 85 and 90 in the month of January. So that suggests that there could be some correction coming in for silver. But that also tells you that the momentum for silver can continue to be stronger. I also want to quickly take you in sense of what we have seen as average prices for last 4 years now. So, of course, 2021 was a strong year. We saw $25 as an average price. The last couple of years was around 21 to 22. But this year, until now, the first 4 months, the silver average price has moved higher to around $27 an ounce. Going forward, the expectation is that you could be looking at higher highs. For this year, we started this year with $23 an ounce. We've done 32.5 already, with the street anticipating that if holds above 32, you could be looking at $34 and $36 an ounce coming in for silver as well.
Thank you very much for that. Time for a short break. On the other side, the management of nuclear software exports will join in to talk about their Q4 numbers and the way forward.